Okay, here we are at the end of this project. Everything is siliconed in and caulked in, as you can see. A lot of guys have grout this transition here from the tile to this, from the marble doorway transition to this field tile. What's going to happen there is you're going to trap it. Yeah, it can go that way, but I like to leave it open as possible, anywhere from 8th to 16th joint, and then we silicone that in. Silicone where the floor meets the curb along here, around the curb that way, around the curb over here. All the vertical corners, inside corners where it meets the ceiling. The niche, I always like to grout. I like to grout the whole thing, especially with these pebbles. You try to caulk here, it's going to leave a mess. Silicone or caulk, so I wouldn't recommend that, so we always grout that in. We caulked around this window. Once all that dries, we'll be able to clean off any extra haze here. And we grout around the perimeter of the shower. Some guys are silicone. I like to grout the base, and one reason for that is, well, really important reason for that is that, let's say one of us tall guys silicones this, right? Let's say in 6 months, a year, a few years, whatever, they want to change out the silicone, it's getting moldy or whatever, it's falling apart, deteriorating over time. What are they going to do? They're going to sit here with a utility knife and they're going to carve it out. They're going to carve it. And what do you think is going to happen there? It's a high probability that they're going to go all the way through and cut the waterproof membrane. What happens then? The whole shower is going to fail. Who's going to get the phone call? We are. So, what I like to do is grout that in. Will it crack? Maybe, maybe not. Time will tell, but if it does, we just scrape it out, re-grout it in. If you silicone these pebbles, it's just not going to look as clean as a grout. As you can see, there's a nice clean line there. Even with silicone, see, we get it real clean, but it's not 100% perfect as, say, grout could be. So, that's how we prefer to do it. But that's it for this project. Everyone's happy, I'm happy, it came out pretty good. This bathroom is ready to get finished. Homeowner's going to do the painting and finish off the plumbing, the fixtures and all that. This bathroom will be all done, ready for use. That's it. On to the next.